See, first of all, I'd like to give my appreciations to the Meghalaya State Police for doing a very significant job for the nab the culprit, and now we are very happy also those culprit will be under the remands of the police for 8 days. So first of all, I'd like to at the beginning I want to convey my condolences to the family, the parents, the brother, sister, and the relative of the Raja Raghuvanshi, who has been brutally murdered in the Sora in the state of Meghalaya. I understand that, I know at the beginning they were very angry. Because after they heard the news, they received the news and they are very shocked for them, where it is a very sad news that their own son of the family had been brutally killed in Sora. So at that moment, of course, they have been, they have been blaming the people of Meghalaya, they blaming the police of Meghalaya, but now we are very happy that, but they have apologized. Everyone have apologized, even from the national news, the social media, few of them also, they have apologized for their mistake without knowing the fact. They have the blaming, tarnishing, and maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya. I saw in the news that the police of Meghalaya, they have found the Mangal Sutra and also the ring from the suitcase of Sanam, which is left in the homestay. So I think that is a very, very vital clue which they can find out. The case should be a very strong case now, because they have, why they have to left this Mangal Sutra and maybe wedding ring or the ring, we don't know, but why have to left it in the suitcase? She had to be wear in her, with herself only, but how she had left the suitcase. So they have a very, very wrong motive by putting the Mangal Sutra and also the ring inside the suitcase. That also they have been parked, that suitcase in the homestay. So they have to go full, complete investigations, and they should be punished as per law. That's what we want. The people of Meghalaya want, I want, people of Meghalaya want, the government of Meghalaya want, they should be punished as per the law of murdering the person in the state of Meghalaya. So this is a pre-planned and organized crime. It is initiated by the Sonam only, the Sonam Raghuvanshi, the wife of late Raja Raghuvanshi. This is a pure organized and a pre-planned crime. They want, I think maybe right from beginning, they want to eliminate the Raja Raghuvanshi. Further, the investigation process, I will not be able to tell you anything right now, because all are under the custodian of the investigation team. We hope that they will do justice for the best of the state and the best of the people of Meghalaya. That is depend on the, the investigation team. It is up to their opinion, up to their wisdom, whatever they will to take, whether they will not take, that is, we leave it to the wisdom of the investigation team. Because as an action, as per law, they should be punished. As per law, they should be punished. Murdering a person, whether it is from local or non-local or any human being, it has to be punished. No, after that also we have seen, before they are, found the body of the Raja Raghuvanshi, even so many press have gone into Sora and took the individual interview to all the people. The people that time they were shocked, but after they came to know that it is all the organized crime, it is done by those people only, so people are really rejoiced now. Not only the people, I've seen that the entire nations. We got the call from entire nation, we got the social media, the people are saying that now everybody appreciating for the people of Meghalaya and the state of Meghalaya, and particularly to the government of Meghalaya and especially to the police of the Meghalaya state. See, I'm telling you, Meghalaya, I have told them this from the beginning only. We are the peace-loving citizens. We don't do anything wrong. If anybody who has their intentions to doing wrong, that is in isolation cases that we cannot say anything. But if you tell that people of Meghalaya, they will do by themselves, which has no reasons to do it against anybody, I don't believe that.